These days, smartphones cost way too much. So to fight that, people are looking for budget phones. And finally joining the game is Apple. This phone is supposed to be the iPhone SE2 or the iPhone 9. But thanks to some recent information, it might not be called either of those. And thanks to some more recent leaks from Target employees, we might be looking at 6 different options of iPhones around $400. But if this is true, is it going to be worth it? This new alleged iPhone is not going to have some of the flagship features. Of course, no 120 hertz screen, I don't know why it would. Not an A14 chip, which is expected to be in the iPhone 12, a Touch ID button. That's because if you didn't know, the design is going to return back to like the iPhone 8. Probably gonna have a lower screen resolution, just like the iPhone 11. It's going to have a camera that's very capable and just like the iPhone 11. And to top all that off, it's going to have the A13 chip, which is just already amazing and super optimized. So now that we have that information, what do you think? To me, that phone is actually worth something, and I think it's an incredible investment for anybody who wants a budget iPhone. And especially with some of the changes that they are predicting to come up with iOS 14, it might be worth it. That is the new iPhone 9, iPhone SE2 iPhone. So, you gonna grab one or what, bruh?